Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I'll be doing some grocery shopping at Costco on a budget. So my budget is $200. So let's come on along and see what we can get at Costco. So now I'm gonna go around and show you guys the cost for different items. As you can see here, the 3-pack loaves of bread, they're going for $7.99 at Costco. And the bread prices will vary depending on the brand of breads that you choose. And these whole chicken is definitely at an excellent price at Costco for $6.49 for 3 whole chickens in the pack. Excellent price. I don't think you can get it cheaper anywhere else. And this organic virgin coconut oil at $17.49 is also an excellent price. I buy this all the time and it lasts a very long time. So this is what the cart is looking like for the grocery shopping that I did at Costco. Stay tuned to the video to find out how much all this costs. So this is the grocery haul from Costco, you guys. So these are the items that I got when I took you guys along with me to the store earlier. I got 18 items and this is what it's looking like. And I'm gonna tell you what I think is reasonably priced at Costco. And then I'm gonna give you the total amount that I spent for all these 18 items from Costco. So first we're gonna start off with our lasagna. So it's a 2-tray lasagna, 3 kilograms, And this I think is reasonably priced. This was $17.99 at Costco, and this can feed a family of 5. A single tray can feed a family of 5. So I think this is reasonably priced at Costco. Also, the cheese, their Kirkland brand cheese. To me, this was a little bit pricey because this was $15.99. However, my children love the cheese, so you know, I opted to make the sacrifice to get this. However, it's a good quality cheese, the Kirkland brand. I find that Costco's Kirkland brand is really good value for money in terms of the quality of the products that you get with the Kirkland brand. So the Hellman mayonnaise was on sale, and I think this was reasonably priced. I think it was about $8.50 if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check the price on my receipt here. $8.49, and it's a 1.8 liter mayonnaise, and I think that was very reasonably priced. Also, our chocolate milk and the 2% white milk, they were like $5.49 each. I think it was $5.59. One was $5.59, the 2% milk was $5.59, and the chocolate milk was $6.59. Reasonably priced. At other supermarkets, I think it's roughly around the same price. The Silk almond milk is definitely reasonably priced at Costco. So for this Silk almond milk, I got 3 cartons, and it was $9.99 for the 3 cartons. I know at other stores you're getting 2 cartons for about $8. So at Costco, this is reasonably priced, the almond milk. Also, the bacon. This is Fletcher's bacon. This was $15.99. And so you're getting one for $8 per pack. It's 2 packs. So it's $8 per pack. And compared to what you'll get at other grocery stores, this I think was okay. It was, you know, okay priced. But yeah, we opted to pick it up anyways. And also I find their cereals. Cereals are priced really well at Costco, because for the jumbo pack, you get 2 packs in there, and it's $9.99 for the 2 jumbo packs. So I think this is reasonably priced, because at other grocery stores, you're getting 1 pack of Frosted Flakes anywhere from $6.99 to maybe $7.99. So to get these 2 packs for $10, the jumbo pack, there's 2 packs inside this jumbo pack. That is reasonably priced. And also my cranberry almond crunch cereal. This also has 2 packs in it for $9.99. I think this is also reasonably priced, considering what you'll get 1 pack for at the grocery store. Also, eggs. This was $19.15, I think it was, for 60 eggs. So for 60 eggs at $19, I'd say it's not bad for this brand from Costco, and getting 60 eggs for $19 based on what eggs are going for nowadays. This isn't bad. And also the cinnamon crunch toast cereal, $9.99 for 2 bags in the jumbo pack, reasonably priced. So for both of these, I definitely believe it's reasonably priced. So yeah. And you know, as usual, Costco's Kirkland water, I picked one up because I was thirsty. This is 35 cents. Definitely reasonably priced. So yeah, I love the Kirkland brand. As I said, for a generic brand, their quality is really good. So whenever I have to pick up that generic brand at Costco, I know I am still getting value for my money. And these mandarins, reasonably priced compared to what you'll get at other stores for this much mandarin. I think this much mandarin costs $10.99 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, these clementines were $10.99. For the amount that you get, I think it's reasonably priced. Because at other grocery stores, you're getting less than this amount. This is a 2.27 kilogram, which is 5 pounds. And it's $10.99. At other stores, you're getting just a few sometimes of the clementines for like $5, $6, depending on what grocery store you go to. So this is really good at Costco. And also their cheese bread. Cheese bread, again, Kirkland brand, $8.99. My kids love this. So for $8.99, and I think you get what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 for $8.99. That's not bad. Also the Dempster's 3 packs of bread. This is $7.99. Reasonably priced considering what you'll pay for one Dempster's bread at the grocery store. I believe this is reasonably priced. However, the cheapest are more affordable place I find you can find your breads whenever they're in stock is at the Dollar Tree. Depending on the brand, you can get a bread loaf at the Dollar Tree for about $1.50. And depending on the brand, they go up as high as $2. So at the Dollar Tree, or at Canadian Dollar Tree that is, you can get 3 breads cheaper than you would at Costco. Because even if their high-end bread is $2 per loaf, you're still looking at $6 versus Costco. You're looking here at $8, coming in at $7.99. So check out Dollar Tree if you're near a location, Dollar Tree location that carries bread. I think they get their fresh breads every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes on the weekend. Their prices for bread is really good. That's where I buy my bread. Well, sometimes when I go there and I see it reasonably priced, I'll buy a couple and I'll store it in the freezer until I'm ready, and then yeah, you're good to go. However, considering what you'll get bread for at a typical grocery store, $8 for these 3, it's not too bad at Costco. Okay, so next we're on to these dinner roll. Oh guys, I love these breads from Costco. These dinner roll breads, they're so soft and buttery, and it's just so wonderful. I call them criminal. That's how good they are. So yeah, this was $5.99, reasonably priced because they are really good, really enjoyable. Everyone in my family love these breads, and it goes really fast in my household. So yeah, at $6, really, really good bread to get from Costco. And also my snack, my Boom Chicka Pop. This is the large size at 652 kilogram, and this was $8.49 or $8.99. This was reasonably priced at Costco, because at the grocery store you're getting a quarter of this size, a fraction of this size, and sometimes you're paying $6 for it. So for this size, Costco coming in at $8.99 or $8.49. Let me double check the price for you guys. Yeah, so for this size coming in at $8.49, it's a really good price at Costco. So if you get this, extra large jumbo size at Costco. Reasonably priced for $8.49. So as I said, guys, these are all the items that I pick up. So I go between different grocery stores depending on what my needs are. And some stuff that I find that is reasonably priced at Costco, I'll go to Costco and pick them up. Other items I'll pick up from Walmart, or in the case of, you know, the breads, sometime I'll pick up those at Dollar Tree. If when I go there and they have it, I'll pick bread up too from there. So these are all the items, 18 items from Costco. And all these items are coming in at a whopping $190.11. Okay, so this is what my Costco grocery haul costs, and that is $190.11 Canadian. So this is in Canadian dollars. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.